Hello student, I am DK Singh. I will be teaching you accountancy. Today my topic comparative statement of profit and loss account and solve question number 12, 13 and 14. Question number 12. First top heading comparative statement of profit and loss account. And for the year ended 31st March 2017 and 18. Comparative statement means compare 2 year या more than 2 year. 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा ईयर होंगे तभी हम कंपेरेटिव बना पाएंगे, अन्यथा कंपेरेटिव आर नॉट प्रिपेयर. क्लियर. एंड कॉलम प्रिपेयर अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन. पर्टिकुलर नोट नंबर अमाउंट 2017 एंड प्रीवियस ईयर, अमाउंट 2018 करंट ईयर, एब्सोल्यूट चेंज, परसेंटेज ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट चेंज. क्लियर. नेम ए बी C D. A value are given in question, previous year value. B value given, current year value. And C calculate B minus A, current year amount minus previous year amount. Clear. And D calculate C, any absolute change upon previous year amount A into 100. Repeat again. D calculate absolute change amount upon previous year amount into 100. Clear. Number 1, first revenue from operation according to format. Value are given 2017 7 lakh and 2018 10 lakh. Other income are not given. Second, add other income. If given other income, add it to revenue from operations. ये हमारे बिजनेस जो सेल हुई, रेवेन्यू ऑपरेशन, नेट सेल्स एंड अदर इनकम. क्लियर. टोटल फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड इन रेवेन्यू ऑपरेशन प्लस अदर इनकम आर नॉट गिवन, तो टोटल रेवेन्यू 7 लाख एंड 10 लाख. क्लियर. एक्सपेंसेज नंबर 1, कॉस्ट ऑफ मटेरियल कंज्यूम. प्रीवियस ईयर ₹5 लाख, ₹5 लाख एंड करेंट ईयर ₹8 लाख. क्लियर. एम्प्लॉय बेनिफिट एक्सपेंसेज गिवन. Other expenses ₹10,000, other expenses 10,000 and 20,000 and 20,000. Third, employee benefit expenses. Employee benefit expenses. Clear. Employee benefit expenses ₹50,000, 10,000 previous year, 10,000 previous year and 20,000 current year. Clear. Employee benefit 50,000 and 75,000. Clear. 5 lakh, 10,000 and 50,000 current year 75, 20 and 8 lakh. Clear. Total 5 lakh plus 60,000, total 5 lakh 60,000. Clear. And 8 lakh plus 95, 8 lakh 95,000. Clear. Repeat again. Cost of material consumed, previous year 5 lakh, current year 8 lakh. Other expenses given 10,000 and 20,000. Employee benefit expenses 50,000 and 75,000. Clear. Total expenses 8,95,000 and 5,60,000. Profit before tax, third minus fourth. Total revenue minus total expenses 7 lakh minus 560, 1,40,000. 1,40,000. Clear. 1,40,000. And 10 lakh minus 895, 1,05,000. Clear. 1,05,000. Tax, previous year tax 40%, tax any 1,40,000 into 40 upon and 40%. Clear? 56,000. 56,000. Clear? 56,000. And 50%, 1,05,000. 50%, 52, 500. 52, 500. Clear? Next, profit after tax. Profit minus tax. Profit minus tax 1,40,000 minus 56,000. 84,000. 84,000. And 1,05,000 minus 52,500. 52,500. Clear? Now I'm clear. Calculate absolute change. B minus A. B value 10 lakh minus 7 lakh. Change 3 lakh. Clear? Nil. Difference value 3 lakh. 8 lakh minus 5 lakh. Cost is 3 lakh. 20,000 minus 10,000. Value difference 10,000. 75,000 minus 50,000. 25,000. Clear? 895 minus 5 lakh 60,000. 895,000 minus 5 lakh 60,000. 5 lakh 60,000. 3 lakh 35,000. Cross check. 3 lakh 35. चाहे इससे इसको माइनस करेंगे तब भी वैल्यू आएगी, या इसको ऐड करेंगे ये वैल्यू. क्रॉस चेक. 3,35,000. क्लियर? 1,05,000 माइनस 140. क्लियर? 1,05,000 माइनस 140. बी माइनस ए वैल्यू निगेटिव. क्लियर? निगेटिव वैल्यू 35,000. क्लियर? निगेटिव वैल्यू 35,000. प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ क्या हो रही है? डिक्रीज कर रही है. 52 टैक्स 56 माइनस 52,500 माइनस 30,500. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट 84,000 माइनस 52,500. 31,500. क्रॉस चेक. 35,000 minus 3,500. 31,500. Clear? Any problem? Percentage in bracket minus in bracket negative value, no, in where percentage. Number 1, 3 lakh into 100 upon 7 lakh. 42.86. 42.86%. 42.86%. Clear? Next, cost of mechanism 3 lakh into 100 upon 5 lakh 60%. Cost of material 60%. Clear? Next, 10,000 into 100 upon 10,000. 100%. Other expenses 100%. Clear? Other expenses 100%. Next, 25,000 into 100 upon 50,000. Clear? Repeat again. Difference value 25,000. 50%. 50%. 3,35,000 into 100 upon 5,60,000. 5,60,000. 59, 8.2. 82. Clear? Cross check. 3,35,000 into 100 upon 5 lakh 60,000. Next, 3,500 into 100 upon 56,000. 6.25 negative. Clear? And 35,000 into 100 upon 1,40,000. 25 minus. Clear? 25 minus. And 31,500 into 100 upon 84,000. 37.5 negative. Profit after tax decrease in 37.5%. Clear? And profit before tax decrease in 25%. Clear? Positions are not good. कंपेयर लास्ट ईयर टू करंट ईयर, यानी लास्ट ईयर से करंट ईयर में क्या हुआ, प्रॉफिट की ग्रोथ हमारी कम हुई है, इसलिए बिजनेस की पोजीशन अच्छी नहीं है। क्लियर? क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट। क्वेश्चन 12। क्वेश्चन 13, टॉप हेडिंग कंपैरेटिव स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट एंड फॉर द ईयर एंडेड 31 March 2017 and 2018। क्लियर? Column particulars, note number, amount 2017, amount 2018, absolute change, percentage of absolute change, A, B, and calculate C, B minus A, and D calculate absolute change in C upon last year amount, previous amount into 100. Clear? Data given question number 13, first revenue from operation, given value previous year 10 lakh, previous year 10 lakh, current year 12 lakh 50,000. Clear? 12 lakh 50,000. Other income 30,000 and other income 5,000, other income 5,000 and 6,000, other income first 5,000 and 6,000. Clear? Total 10 lakh 5,000, 10 lakh 5,000, 12 lakh 56,000. Clear? Expenses, purchase of stock in trade, 4 lakh 20,000, and 7 lakh 70,000. Change in inventory 80,000, current year negative value 1,20,000. Clear? 1,20,000. Other expenses 30,000 and 52,000. Clear? Total expenses 4,20,000 plus 80,000 plus 30,000, 5,30,000. Clear? 5,30,000 and 7,70,000. Clear? Plus 52,000 minus 1,20,000. Clear? 7,70,000 plus 52,000 minus 1,20,000, 7,02,000. Clear? Negative minus profit before tax. Total income minus total expenses. Clear? Total income of 10 lakh 5,000 minus 5 lakh 30,000, 4 lakh 75,000. Clear? 4 lakh 75,000. And total 12 lakh 56,000 minus 7 lakh 2,000, 5 lakh 54,000. Clear? Profit before tax. Tax are not given, nil. टैक्स नहीं दिया हुआ है, नील. क्लियर? 7 फिफ्थ माइनस 6, फिफ्थ माइनस 6 वैल्यू, फिफ्थ वैल्यू गिवन, 6 वैल्यू नॉट गिवन. 4,75,000 एंड 5,54,000. प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स. टैक्स आर नॉट पेड. क्लियर? कंपेयर कंपेरेटिव 1250 माइनस 10 lakh. Clear? 2 lakh 50,000. 6,000 minus 5,000, 1,000. Clear? 1256 minus 10 lakh 5,000, 2 lakh 51,000. 2 lakh 51,000. 7 lakh 70,000 minus 420, 350. Clear? 3,50,000 minus 1 lakh 120 minus 80, 120 minus 80. Clear? minus 120 minus plus. Here minus 120 and minus 80, minus 2 lakh. Clear? minus 2 lakh, minus 2 lakh. Clear na? 120 minus and minus 80. Note minus 120 minus. Clear? minus positive 80,000. Calculate minus 120 and change minus 80. Calculate minus 2 lakh. Clear? minus 2 lakh and 52 minus 30, 22,000. Clear? 22,000. 7 lakh 2,000 minus 5 lakh 30,000. Cross check 3 lakh 50,000. Clear? minus 2 lakh. Clear? plus 22,000, 1 lakh 72,000 and 5 lakh 54,000 minus 4 lakh 75,000, 79. Value same, difference. Clear? Calculate percent. 2,50,000 into 100 upon 10 lakh. 10 lakh 25%. Clear? 25%. Next 1,000 into 100 upon 5,000. Clear? 20%. Other income 20%. Total 251 into 100 upon 10 lakh 5,000. 24.98. 24.98%. Clear? 35,000, 3,50,000 into 100 upon 4 lakh 20,000. 0.33%. Next, change inventory minus, clear, minus 2 lakh into 100 upon 80,000 minus to 50%, clear, minus to 50%. Other expenses 22,000 into 100 upon 30,000, 73.33, 73.33 positive. 1,72,000 into 100 upon previous amount 5,30,000, 32.45%. And profit before tax 79,000 into 100 upon 4,75,000, 16.16, 16.63, 16.63. Clear? Question number 13. Any problem? Important point, change in inventory. Repeat again. Minus 1,20,000 current year and positive 80,000 last year. Noted minus 120 and minus positive 80. Positive convert in negative. Bracket open. Clear? Minus 120 and minus 80. Same. Minus 2 lakh. Clear? Top heading, comparative statement of profit and loss account, and for the year ended 31st March 2017 and 18. Clear? 17 and 18. Value number 1, column clear. The particular note number, amount 2017, amount of 18, absolute change, percentage of absolute change according to other question. First, remaining from operation 2017 50 lakh. Clear? 2017 50 lakh, 18 40 lakh, 18 40 lakh. Clear? Finance cost 30 lakh, 25 lakh. Finance cost 30 lakh, 25 lakh, 25 lakh. Employee benefit 5 lakh, 5 lakh. Depreciation 3 lakh 270, 3 lakh 2 lakh 70,000. Other expenses 2 lakh and 1,60,000 and 1,60,000. Other income are not given. Clear? Other income nil. Third, total first and second. Total 50 lakh and 40 lakh. Clear? Total 30 lakh, 535, 338 and 2 40 lakh. Clear? 40 lakh. And 25 plus 5 30 lakh, 30 lakh and 3 33, 34 30,000, 34 lakh 30,000. Clear? 30 lakh 35 and 40 and 25 30 33 and 34 30,000. Calculate profit before tax. 50 lakh minus 40 lakh. Clear? 10 lakh minus 10 lakh. 50 lakh minus 40, 10 lakh. And 40 lakh माइनस 34,30,000 5,70,000 5,70,000 tax are not given, nil tax not given. Profit before tax and after tax and 10 lakh 5,70,000. Clear? Calculate absolute change. 40 less than 50, current year less than previous year, in bracket. Clear? 10 lakh. Position not good. Last year sales total sales revenue 50 lakh, current year 40 lakh. Clear? $25 lakh and 30 lakh minus 5 lakh. 5 lakh nil. 270 and 3 lakh minus 30,000. 160 and 2 lakh negative 40,000. Clear? 5 lakh 70 difference, 5 lakh 70,000 negative. 5 lakh and 70 cross check 40,000 40 lakh minus 34 lakh 30,000 5 lakh 70,000. Next 10 lakh minus 5 lakh 70,000 4 lakh 30,000 negative value. Clear? Business position not good comparative to last year, and difference 4 lakh 30,000. All amount of negative value 10 lakh into 100 upon 50 lakh 20%. Clear? 20% decrease in revenue operation 20%. Next 5 lakh into 100 upon 30 lakh 16.67% nil. 30,000 into 100 upon 3 lakh 10 minus 10. Other expenses 40,000 into 100 upon 2 lakh 20% negative. Clear? 5 lakh 70,000 into 100 upon 40 lakh 14.25. Clear? 5 lakh 70,000 into 100 upon 40 lakh. Profit before tax 4 lakh 30,000 into 100 upon 10 lakh 43% negative. Clear? Profit 43% decrease 43%. Business are not good. All revenue and operations, other expenses, cost, financing cost, employee benefit and depreciation, other profit are all value are decreased in current year. Business are not good. बिजनेसमैन पॉलिसी चेंज, बिजनेसमैन को पॉलिसी चेंज करनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि इसकी ग्रोथ बहुत अच्छी नहीं रही है, उसको अपनी कोई नई पॉलिसी बनानी पड़ेगी. क्लियर?